Agriculture. Question. With reference to cropping intensity, consider the following statements. 1. It refers to raising a number of crops from the same field during one agricultural year. 2. Gross cropped area is a factor of cropping intensity calculation. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. With reference to agriculture in India, consider the following statements. 1. Kharif crops are sown with the onset of monsoon in different parts of the country. 2. Blossom showers in Kerala help in the flowering of plantation crops like coffee and tea. 3. Improper drip irrigation installation often culminates into poor root development. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 3. With reference to contract farming in India, consider the following statements. 1. The Model APMC Act, 2003 provides specific provisions for contract farming. 2. Private investment in agriculture can be increased via contract farming. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. In the context of urea, consider the following statements. 1. The MRP of urea is statutorily fixed by the Government of India. 2. Urea is covered under the nutrient-based subsidy scheme. 3. Urea takes a lot of time to convert into ammonia in the soil. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 5. In the context of seeds used in Indian agriculture, consider the following statements. 1. Non-farmers cannot purchase fertilizers through the POS machines. 2. No FDI under the automatic route is allowed in the seed infrastructure in India. 3. Seed replacement rate is a measure of how much of the total cropped area was sown with certified seeds in comparison to farm-saved seeds. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 6. In the context of minimum support price, consider the following statements. 1. Value of unpaid family labor is not factored in while computing the production cost of a crop. 2. The CAC does not do any field-based cost estimates itself. 3. MSP is available for raw cotton, moong, raw jute, copra, soybean and dehusked coconut. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 7. With reference to fish production in India, consider the following sentences. 1. The share of inland fisheries has gone less than 50% in total fish production in recent years. 2. India is the world's largest fish producer. 3. Shafari certification scheme is related to aquaculture products. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. All of the above. Question 8. With reference to agriculture in India, consider the following statements. 1. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana aims to achieve a reduction in post-harvest to 10%. 2. A hard frost is injurious to the growth of the cotton plant. 3. Sugarcane can be cultivated using settings prepared from tissue culture. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 9. With reference to agroforestry, consider the following statements. 1. It is the integrated management of crops, livestock and trees as a system rather than individually. 2. It helps preserve germplasm of endangered species. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 10. Consider the following statements. 1. Phosphorus is an essential nutrient that helps in root development of the plant. 2. Vertical farming uses techniques such as hydroponics, aquaponics, and aeroponics. 3. Growing more than 2 crops in a piece of land in a year in orderly succession is called intercropping. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 3 only. Question 11. In the context of rain-fed farming, consider the following statements. 1. India stands first among the rain-fed agricultural countries of the world. 2. Entesols can be found in the rain-fed areas. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 12. Consider the following statements. 1. The Sarkar Mitra scheme was launched by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises for online placement of trainees for helping employers to post job openings and facilitating candidates to apply. 2. Bhavantar Bhugtan Yojana of Odisha sought to provide relief to farmers by providing the differential between MSPs and market prices. 3. Adopting no tillage in agroecosystems enhances carbon, sequestration in soils. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 2 only.